What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, your girl LiaLeigh. Lord, I'm like moving all over the place, slipping and sliding. Y'all, I got this bomb headband wig on from Yolissa hair. Links, details, coupon codes, all of that down below in the description. If this is your first time viewing me, my beautiful self, clicking on my channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button, turn your notifications on. You know the gist. So you can always stay up to date on all the latest content that I'm dropping. Check out my social media platforms, my esthetician page. I'm a black owned business woman, and I also have my normal Instagram page. Everything's down below. This hair, I do want to apologize if y'all hear the rain and the weather outside. It is absolutely mayhem. This afternoon, this morning, the weather has been nuts. This hair, let's not get distracted. This hair is beautiful. I'm feeling it because it is so long, 26 inches, and I love it. So I'm gonna show y'all a tutorial basically of how I style this wig and how my hair is underneath, because as you can see, no hair is left out, which is beautiful. That's a beautiful thing for us natural women, especially when we want these styles that could potentially have us apply heat to our hair. We don't want that. So y'all go ahead and continue to watch this video as I show y'all how I style this wig on myself. What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So clearly my hair is starting off this way. Let me go ahead and put some braids in it right quick. Alrighty, you guys, so I have fully braided my hair. I have two French braids in the back, and then like this part up here where I kind of like split it, like not half up half down, but it's a little less hair at the top than it is in the back. So these are braided into 3 braids. I didn't want to do it down the middle like I typically would with the headband wig, because it would, you know, show that middle part. I want it to be like a seamless, you know, pushback today. So here is this nice 26 inches headband wig from Yolissa hair. Let me brush her down right quick, because I took her out of the box and the packaging that she was in. Yes, it's a she. And the hair is so long, like super duper long, and I have not had some long hair in a long time. I'm gonna show y'all the other things that came in the packaging as well. So this is the box that it came in. There we go. And it came in this long bag that was protecting the hair, as well as, like, you know, the hair net and etc. It lets you know at the bottom that it's 26 inches. Came with this bedazzled headband that I cannot wait to put on with this wig. A wig cap, a basically like an instruction manual on how to care for the wig. It came with some Yolissa lashes. That is real city girl. I don't wear city girl lashes, but thanks. And then it came with 3 headbands and a scarf. So these are the headbands. This is like neutral everyday. This is giving me more like bandana-esque vibes. And then we have the animal print. Then we have the scarf. I want to show y'all all the goodies that came in the bag. And then it came with this hair bag that you can, you know, put your wig in once you're finished with wearing it. And this will protect the wig and keep it nice and silky and smooth. Now that my hair is all braided back, I do want to go ahead and put some gel on these edges, because your girl is real fuzzy right now, okay? Like fuzzy in the worst way. So I'm using the Got To Be so it can, you know, stay in place real nice and good. I'm not going to put it on my edges just yet, because once this stuff dries and settles, we already know that it is like no moving. Whatever hair has this stuff on it. So I just want to put a little bit. then begin to go ahead and brush it back. I do want to keep some sideburns out. Alright, and then once this wig goes on, it is going to be super smooth and flat. I'm not really going to worry about putting the wig cap on because my braids are really in place and pinned up with some bobby pins and hairpins. So I'm going to go ahead and slip this wig on. And I do want to let y'all know that, of course, it comes with this Velcro strap and 4 or 5 clip-in clips that actually like open and close, which I feel like are better than the traditional just slip-on clips, depending on your hair texture. For me, these are going to work perfect because these are going to slip right into it, and then I can, like, you know, clip them back down. This hair is already so perfectly straight, like I don't even need to straighten it. So I'm gonna go ahead and slip on some of these stretch band wigs, stretch headbands on first, so y'all can see what these look like. This is crazy. These are the best ever, especially for a person like me. I don't know about y'all, but them lace front wigs be a task for me to try to perfect, and I'm just not really good at those. I try my best and I feel like I make it look decent for me, but aside from that, these are like the easiest. And they're so easy to style because you don't have to worry about parting. And this is the last stretch headband. I think I like this one the most just because it gives like off more white and like neutral vibes, and that's more my stilo. So I'm gonna try this one on as well, just because I feel like I might really fall in love with this one, but we're gonna have to see. I really like this one. This was like neutral. It's like kind of plain but basic, but that's kind of like how I am with my style. My style is very neutral, unless I try something different. Okay, so this one is cool. The only thing I don't like is that it sits a little off the top of the head. And let me see if I can make this flat, which would allow this to be flat. I feel like this one is cute, but first of all, I don't like the way my ears are sticking out from it. That ain't cute. But then I feel like it's supposed to be more so like up top like this and not so much forward. So I'm not thinking that this is a good idea for a headband wig, or maybe it's just me. I don't know. But I'm liking this one a lot better. This one is cute, but not with the headband wig because it doesn't sit flat. So yeah, that wouldn't work. As far as everything else goes, this is perfect for it, and I'm gonna slip this one back on. I'm going to get cute with this one. So I will see y'all in a second. I'm gonna slip some makeup on and some eyelashes and get cute with this headband. I think this one's cute. Which one do y'all feel like is the cutest? This one is cute. Don't get me wrong. This one is hella cute. It's sparkly, you know, whatever. But it doesn't sit flat. I would like to also try another style with the scarf, as far as like, you know, the whole triangle thing, and then slipping it on halfway, because that's always a cute little style. Like this, you know, something like that, and then tying it down. That's always cute, especially if you don't want the your hair to be showing for whatever reason. If you're having a bad hair day, you could slip this wig on, slip the bandana on, the scarf on, and you be good. So I'm about to throw on some makeup right quick, and then throw this hair up in a ponytail and a bun, show y'all how versatile it is, and that's where I'm gonna wrap the video up. So I will be right back. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Your girl is feeling extra cute, so some pictures might be up on the gram with this hair in. I'm gonna let y'all know that right now. So I did want to show y'all a couple styles, different styles of how you can actually style the hair. Of course with the ponytail, of course with it down. I'm pretty sure it could be even a higher ponytail, but I'm about to leave out the house and I don't feel like doing all of that or putting too many creases in the hair. It can also be up in a top bun or a top ponytail. Mind you, I just said I didn't feel like putting too many creases in the hair, but it's all good. This ponytail can be styled in a whole bunch of different ways, just according to how you feel comfortable with the wig on. And being that it is a headband wig, like you don't have to worry about, you know, the back of it showing, which is like the deal, for real, for real. This wig is the deal. So yeah, you guys, that's going to include the total or conclude my video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments if y'all feeling this wig or not. I definitely am. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my wig back down and let her be beautiful and down like I had planned without no creases. So I hope y'all like this video. Let me know down in the comments. Thumbs up if y'all are. Thumbs down. Don't thumbs down my video, okay? Anyway, see y'all later.